Good morning, NGO friends. Sridhar here. This is specifically being posted for my NGO WhatsApp group members. 27th to 29th, I'm holding the workshop for NGOs between 4:30 to 5:30, and many of you have paid 1,999 and have joined the group. There are also some people who are in the group who have just paid about 499 rupees, and some of them have paid 99 rupees and been in the group. Okay, I request all of them to proceed further and then ask me for the payment link, and I will be giving you the payment link. Make the balance payment, and then be ready for the workshop, which is going to be scheduled between 27 to 29. In this workshop, you come prepared in such a manner that you can implement the ideas that I'm going to give you on the same day. And there are people who have achieved results within 24 hours to 48 hours time. People who have attended my previous workshop and all that, they've started getting funds in their bank account within 24 hours to 48 hours. Okay, this has happened, and there has been success stories, and some of you who have been in the group have already seen how Arup Sengupta has been posting his daily revenue flow, which is coming from various corners, and he has been doing that. And there are also small successes which Mahesh Parmeshwaran has seen, and Samrendra Dixit has seen some results. Teresa has seen some results, and Dr. Rajesh also has seen some results. They have also been contributing to some extent what kind of results that they have seen. Okay, so these are all indications that it is possible. So even you can also raise similar kind of funds, and so long as your program is good, so long as you are ready to implement the ideas and the tips that I'm giving on the same day, you will definitely not fail in this activity. You will definitely see good amount of funds coming in, which will help you in doing some good social programs. So be ready for that, and I request all the members who are sitting on the bench, like wondering whether to, join or not to join. This is the right opportunity for you to take decision, right? I'm very confident about my program. And so people who are actually coming and attending this program, these 3 days will be very, very fruitful for you. In fact, I have given some of them an opportunity to be in the group to understand from the other NGO members whether they can see success or not. Okay, so that itself is a very bold step from me, where I have invited people to come and be a part of the group. Okay, for those of you who are seeing me this video in the YouTube channel or the Facebook channel, where they have not been a part of my community still, then this is the right opportunity for you to be a part of this workshop, which is scheduled on 27 to 29. So below the comment box, wherever you find an opportunity to write back to me, just show me your interest, and I will send you the payment link and be a part of this wonderful workshop, which will change your current scenario wherever you are currently, right? Presently, if you're not happy with whatever results that you have been getting, then definitely this is the time to get into this workshop, learn something new, change your habits, and start seeing a wonderful life. Okay, your NGO will not be in any kind of finance crunch once you attend this workshop. So this much I am sure about myself, and let's see how you are able to implement this and then achieve success out of it. Okay, so outside NGOs, who are yet to, who are on the bench, who are still wondering whether this will happen or not, and there are some some vague queries which have come to me. Why should I pay 1,999? Why can't you do it free and all that? Those kind of queries and all have come. You tell me that will you do this? Supposing you don't feel like donating, paying this money and then attending this workshop, which donor will give you money, right? Why should they give you money? If you are expecting money from donors, then me expecting money from NGOs to conduct a workshop, what is wrong in that? Okay, you are only paying the Guru Dakshina for it. I'm not like any other commission agents where they ask for 5% cut and 10% cut and all those things. I don't ask all those things. I'm purely into training people and making. I want to make, in fact, 10,000 people, 10,000 NGOs self-sustainable. This is one of my mission. So I'm working towards the journey, and I hope all of you can cooperate with me and then attend this program. Thank you so much. Wish you all the very best.